A public access bleeding control kit is designed to immediately assist in controlling severe bleeding emergencies. These kits are typically found in public places such as schools, airports or government buildings, and are intended for use by trained individuals or first responders. By making these kits widely available in public spaces, more people can be prepared to respond in emergencies and potentially save lives. The contents of public access bleed control kits will vary, but they typically include items such as tourniquets, hemostatic gauze, bandages and gloves. These items can quickly and effectively control bleeding until more advanced medical treatment can be administered. This online course breaks the subjects into short videos, followed by knowledge review questions and a final test. You can view the course on any device and start and stop at any time, returning exactly where you left off. On your training dashboard, you can download manuals and links to support your training. Your certificate and certified CPD statement can be downloaded upon completion.